That was pretty cool. On a simple level, it's just more efficient, having everyone under one roof, one team. Simple things like not having to move parts and fridges between two buildings. R&D, production and aftermarket all in the same space will have a massive impact because you can actually see the whole lifetime of the technology and the product in one place, and everyone feels connected to every single other part of the business. So I think that's going to be the main thing for us. Yeah, I think the more people you can get sat close to each other, regardless of what team they're in or what they're working on, is huge, because we're all trying to achieve the same thing. We all just do it from a slightly different angle. So having people sat next to each other trying to do that together is massive. Part of what we're doing now is looking at how we continue to innovate with the product and how we continue to address the customer demand, and ultimately help them become more efficient or decarbonize or save money. You know, it depends on what that particular customer wants, but we need to develop a product and product range that really helps our customers to do that.